Volume, Measuring the Capacity of a Soda Can by Michael. Our goal, what is the capacity of a soda can? Hypothesis, I think that the soda can's capacity is around 300 milliliters. Materials, number 1, soda can. Number 2, water. Number 3, syringe. Number 4, cup. Number 5, data sheet. Number 6, pencil. These are procedures. Your first procedure is you need to fill up your syringe. And then you have to check how much water is in there. It should be 50 milliliters of water. Then you squirt it in the can. Once that is done, do it again until your can is full of water. And make sure that you keep track of how much water you squirt in there every time. Data. Write all of your data on your sheet. Conclusion. In this lab, I learned what capacity is. This lab was my favorite out of all my labs so far. My hypothesis was correct that the capacity was around 300 milliliters. My evaluation. I think this lab was cool, and it ran smoothly.